So these are the 4 things we are going to be using in the routine. It's not a lot, I promise you. People have 10 steps hair care routine. This is just 4. Okay, sisters, you can manage this. This is just the basic. This is the essential. This is like for beginner naturals. Okay, so let's get right into it. Sisters, welcome back to the channel. It's me Sunny, and in today's video is going to be a video demonstration tutorial on how I moisturize my hair to keep it looking like this all the time. Now, I receive a lot of messages on my videos asking me, Sunny, when you moisturize your hair, doesn't it dry out? Won't your hair smell? I'm going to be addressing all those worries in this video. So if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe, like the video, and share this video with somebody you know will find this video also helpful. So without further much ado, without wasting too much of your time, let's get right into it. I'm going to be showing you the 4 things we are going to be needing in this routine. The first thing is a DIY spray. This is rose water. You could replace this with aloe vera water. You could replace this with rose water, rosemary water. Just a liquid. This is my rose spray. This is what we'll be using. The second thing is a leave-in conditioner. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Oil Replacement leave-in conditioner. You can use Pantene, any leave-in conditioner you have. Because I'll be giving you a variety of products you can use so that you will not say, Miss Sunny, I don't have rose water. I didn't have this particular kind of conditioner. That's why I couldn't do the routine. I'm going to be giving you different options. So be sure to watch to the end so you do not miss out on any of the options I'm going to be discussing and all the steps and the tips I'm going to be showing in this video. So the third thing we'll be needing is oil. This is an oil mix. I mix avocado oil, castor oil. This is generally an oil mix. You could use olive oil in this process. You could use argan oil, grapeseed oil, any good hair oil you have, you can use it. Okay. The last thing you're going to be needing is a butter. This is the Pretty Hair Shea Butter. I'm using it for some time now. It doesn't look really nice. This is a shea butter. You could also use any available hair cream, mango butter, any good hair cream, okay? But I'm using shea butter in this process. So I've already showed you. So these are the 4 things we are going to be using in the routine. It's not a lot, I promise you. People have 10 steps hair care routine. This is just 4, okay? Sisters, you can manage this. This is just the basic. This is the essential. This is like for beginner naturals. So let's get right into it. I have my hairstyle. This is a twist protective style I have. As you can see how I styled it. But to moisturize it, I'm just going to quickly take out the twists. I have on. It was just twists and I did it like a cornrow. That's why you're seeing all these curls. I braided it like a cornrow like this. And that's what gives it the extra curly style. Now this goes without saying, it doesn't have to be only twist. You can do this when you have your cornrows, protective style, when you have your mini twists, medium sized twists and cornrows at the front. You can do this process. You can do this tutorial. Now that I've taken out my twist, this is the process. Okay, you are first going to be taking the rose water, then you are going to spray it. Okay, I didn't say soak, I didn't say drench. We are going to spray it. Then you squeeze it inside. When I tell you that this process takes 5 minutes, you are going to watch it in real time. It might look complicated at first, but I promise you, it's not. Okay, it literally takes 5 minutes. And I'm not the only person who does this. A lot of ladies with natural hair, up to their back, flowing down their back, they do this process. So I'm not the only one who does it, okay? So you spray just something small. Then you squeeze it into your hair strands. You can also use this on your scalp. You use it on your scalp, then you massage it in. The next thing I'm going to be doing is taking the leave-in condition. Now take note, before I did this hairstyle, I made sure I shampooed my hair, deep conditioned my hair, used my oils, butters, leave-in sprays, used all that before I put in this hairstyle. So my hair is pretty moisturized. Now it's just maintenance. So we are just going to be using a small amount, okay? Just something small. a small amount of the leave-in. We see it doesn't have to be a lot. My hair is already moisturized. This is just for maintenance, okay? For the ladies that are struggling with dry ends, you put a little bit extra on the ends of your hair. So I hope you're following me. Now, the third thing you're going to be using is, you can see how nice springy my twists are. They are moisturized. I don't leave them out to dry. And that's how I don't get a lot of breakage when I'm taking down my protective stuff, because I do this at least 2 times a week. For the extra busy ladies out there, our moms, our aunties, extra busy, you have a tight work schedule, at least once a week. Don't go a week without doing this, okay? At least once a week. So now we are just going to go ahead and take our oil on our fingertips. Just warm it up a bit. Then on your scalp. You also apply the oil on your hair strands. Now, the last step, we are going to be taking our hair butter, shea butter. For the shea butter, you're also going to melt it a bit in our palms. Then you apply it on your hair. Take a little bit more. The ends of your hair. Apply the shea butter on the ends of your hair. And can you believe it? We are done. That is basically the routine when it comes to how I moisturize my hair during the week. A bonus tip, you focus on the problem areas. So the sisters that have problem going out their edges, this is the time you spray your edges. You take the oil, then you massage it in your edges. And that's basically the end of the routine. If you don't understand something I also said in the video, please let me know in the comments. If you have any questions for me, let me know. I answer all questions I find in the comments. And that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. And on to the next video. It's me, Seni, and I'm out.